In this video, I'm going to show you how you turn your blurry videos into HD. We are going to use this app, YouCut. So to do that, we just have to tap on the plus button you see here. We tap on a new project and we select a preferred video we want to use. So let's tap on that and now let's continue. Good, and this is the video. So to turn it into HD, you can see it's very much blurry. It's an old video. We are going to use the AI to do that. So we scroll to the bottom and you see enhance there. You see the arrow on the screen. Just tap on the enhance.
Smart guys are guys like me.
And this is a premium feature, so you need to watch an ad to unlock it, else you need to pay. And we are not willing to pay, so let's watch the ad. Good, so it's done. So the video has been enhanced, and you can see now the
Smart
video.
guys are guys like
Let me mute the video, and now you can see now the video is very much clearer. Yeah, so that's it on how to turn your blurry videos into HD using the YouCut. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on YouCut. You can check them out. That's it. Peace.